Hey guys, April here. I just wanted to show you the banana peel method when doing your infills or removing lashes that just need to come off. So as discussed before, you get the natural lash with one tweezer and the extension in the other tweezer, and you simply pull opposite ways, essentially banana peeling. So again, natural lash, extension going the opposite way. A little shaky, I had too much coffee this morning. There we go. Natural lash again. Grab the extension with the other tweezers. And just wriggle opposite ways till it comes off. Now this is another method. So this is where you grab the base and the natural lash in your dominant tweezers and you wriggle gently upwards. So you bend the base upwards to kind of dislodge it from the natural lash. Sorry, my camera spazzed out then. So you can see I'm bending upwards, there we go, there's the base. So you grab the base gently with your tweezers and you pull up. So definitely practice doing both of these methods as they both come in handy, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. See ya!